A warm greeting. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Meteorologist Ruben Garcia here. At the time of recording this video, it is 7 a.m. local time in Louisiana, where southern parts of the state are already beginning to feel some indirect effects from Hurricane Francine, which will make landfall this afternoon, entering southeastern Louisiana and eventually moving over Mississippi. Throughout the past night, several missions of the Hurricane Hunter aircraft have been investigating the hurricane and have found that it has strengthened. It currently has maximum sustained winds of 90 miles per hour and, unfortunately, it is projected to continue strengthening as it approaches the United States. The center of circulation is now expected to make landfall between 1 and 2 p.m. today as a Category 2 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of approximately 100 miles per hour. Therefore, preparations across Louisiana and Mississippi should now be completed, and everyone should be in a safe place to face the effects of this hurricane. This would be the first hurricane to affect Louisiana since 2021, when Hurricane Ida made landfall over the southwestern part of the state. Additionally, it would represent the third hurricane to affect the United States in 2024. Let's look at the latest bulletin from the National Hurricane Center. A hurricane warning remains in effect for parts of southern and southeastern Louisiana. A tropical storm warning is also in place for the coast of Alabama, Mississippi, the New Orleans area, and parts of southwestern Louisiana. As I mentioned, the center is expected to arrive around 1 or 2 p.m. today, Wednesday, with winds of 100 miles per hour. It will eventually continue its path towards central Mississippi, where some tropical depression effects could be reported. The most significant wind-related damage is expected along the coast and southeastern Louisiana, and some tropical storm-force wind gusts may affect Mississippi. However, in addition to the wind, a lot of rain is also expected. Here, you can see the Doppler radar images projecting how the rain will move across several states, first over Louisiana and eventually over Mississippi, parts of Arkansas, western Tennessee, and even into areas of Missouri, Illinois, and Kentucky. A lot of rain is expected over the coming days, at least until next Saturday, today, Wednesday. For Louisiana, tomorrow, Thursday. For Mississippi and Arkansas, and between Thursday and Saturday for St. Louis, Missouri, western Tennessee, and western Kentucky. In terms of accumulated rainfall, you can see that the highest amounts are expected across southeastern Louisiana, with between 4 to 6 inches of rain, and over central Mississippi, where the yellow color represents accumulations reaching at least 4 inches. For other areas in Tennessee, Kentucky, southern Illinois, southwestern Missouri, western Arkansas, and the rest of Mississippi, accumulations of 1 to 3 inches of rain are projected between Thursday and Saturday. In terms of wind, here is the projection of wind gusts according to the GFS model. The orange and red colors represent tropical storm-force winds that will affect all these states, including all of Mississippi, northern Alabama, western Tennessee, parts of southwestern Kentucky, southeastern Missouri, and although these winds shouldn't cause major problems, they may lead to isolated power outages. However, the strongest damage should be reported along the coast and southeastern Louisiana, including the city of New Orleans. Lastly, some flooding is already being reported due to storm surges affecting southern and southeastern Louisiana. Storm surges of 5 to 10 feet are expected, depending on where the center of circulation makes landfall, and for the coast of Alabama, Mississippi, and near New Orleans, surges of 2 to 4 feet are expected. If you live in a flood-prone area along the coast, you should move to a safe place at this time. Well, that's all for this special coverage of Hurricane Francine. I hope the United States, particularly Louisiana and Mississippi, are ready to face this hurricane. Here at Hurricane Info, we will continue to provide coverage of what's happening in the Eastern Pacific and the tropical Atlantic, so that you don't miss any content during the rest of the season. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Go to the bottom of the video, click the red button that says subscribe, and then click the bell so you receive notifications when I record new videos. Well, that's it from me for now. I'll be back later tonight with an update on the rest of the Atlantic. Have a great day, everyone.